Hello, this is Ian with DC Digital, and today I'm going to be showcasing our DC-806S-W time of day clock. This is going out to Hardin Community Activity Center, aquatic facility and fitness center, and they have requested a custom order of our DC-806S time of day clock via our shopping cart on our website. What sets this model apart from our standard model is that it can toggle between clock or time of day into event/heat for swim contests. So with the press of a button, I can switch to the current time of day to the event and heat setting, both of which can be customized via our wireless remote control. So now I'm going to be going over the functions on how this model is meant to work. So as you can see right here in my hands, I have our WRC8T wireless remote controller, and this is what operates and allows you to set the hours and set up how many events and how many contestants are going to be in the event. As of right now, we are currently in the time of day mode, and you can set the hours for that. So as you can see right here on the third bottom button right here on the left, you see set hours. So I'm going to press that once, and that continuously goes up until you press the button again. So as of right now, it is currently 4:36 and 4 seconds. The same thing can be done for set minutes underneath the zero heat. You just press it one time, and it just goes up. And from there, when I press it again, it stops it. So now it is 4:47. And lastly, in order to reset the seconds back down to zero, if you so choose, you press 0 clock seconds while it's in time of day mode, obviously, and it resets it right back to 0. So as of right now, I'm going to switch to event/heat, and you do so by clicking the clock and event/heat. That'll switch over from time of day to event/heat. And now I'm going to show how you customize the amount of events and the amount of contestants or the heat. So as you can see right here on the controller, you have both a +1 event and -1 event, as well as a +1 heat and a -1 heat. And what that does, allows you to add a digit by how many times you press the button. So I'm going to press event +1 5 times. You now have a total of 5 events as of right now. Now say you complete an event, you can detract that by pressing -1 event. And the same thing can be done for heats or the number of contestants. You just press +1, that adds the number of contestants who can participate in the event. Same thing goes for -1, it subtracts a digit. So you just press -1 and it goes from 3 to 2. You can also reset the number of digits back to 0 by pressing these two buttons right here. You just press 0 to have 0 events now, and you can press 0 heat to switch the number of heat back down to 0. So now I'm going to be going over the hardware aspect of this model. As you can see, its enclosure is an aluminum IP66 outdoor waterproof enclosure that is fingerprint resistant, and it consists of a black powder coated casing. For its display size, it is 8 inches, and it can display a total of 12 hours in 59 minutes and 59 seconds. The number of digits it has is 6 digits, and it can be viewed up to 400 feet in viewing distance. For its power type, it has a junction box with pigtails, and its power type is a 100 to 240 VAC that also connects to the wall adapter. And it also comes with a backup rechargeable 9-volt battery that you can find in the back of the enclosure. It is a silver casing that you can unscrew and take out the rechargeable battery. It is a 9-volt alkaline rechargeable battery. And this is in case if the power goes out, it will keep the memory of when it was set to. For mounting, we have our C-channel mounting to place in between a sturdy object or a concrete wall. And lastly, for accessories, we have our WRC8T remote controller that toggles between clock and event/heat, and it also comes with a belt clip attachment. So again, this is Ian with DC Digital, demonstrating a DC-806S-W-Swim-Meet time of day clock with a wireless remote controller to toggle between time of day and event/heat setting. Thanks for watching.